Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this key cabinet and I'll show you guys what this is here and how this works. So comes really, I guess, well packaged with these plastic things here. And then, oh, there's the heavy cabinet and the instructions. Okay, everything else is out of the box. Actually, I'll stick these there. Stick it over there. Okay, so here we go. So this is the key cabinet. And you can see you can mount it. You put the holes on the wall and you hang it up on there. And then this side here is the key cabinet. So this is gonna be great. This is like, so if you have like a valet service or something like that, this would be perfect for you because inside of it, you can lock it in and then look at all the places for keys here. You have the place for 65 keys. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. And it comes with a bunch of these little fobby things too, so you could go in here and you could write, I guess you could write the numbers on it or whatever you want to do, or say Lexus or something like that. You could do whatever you want, or if it's for like an office building, this I'll probably give to the Humane Society so they can say medical room door, and then they can hang it up with the key for the medical room. They can hang one up for the puppy room. They can hang one up for the different areas and have it that way, and also number them and have the words on them. So it could work for that, or if you do have numbers or something like that you're doing with like a valet service, you can probably stick the number into there and then have the tag with it. And it comes with a million of these here as well, so you have all the different little tags. And really nice thing, and it's nice and solid. You can hang this thing on the wall somewhere and it'll be solid and good. And it looks like here, you could even have like a little key drop. So if somebody comes in after hours or you're done with it or something like that, you can just drop it in there and then it'll be in there. And it comes with some mounting screws and things like that if you want to screw it through. I guess it's got the holes here. You can really get it sturdy drilled in with this thing here. So it comes with really everything. So I like that little key slot on the side. So when you're done for the, drop one off, you can just stick it in there and it'll be in there. So it'd be good for anybody, car rental service, anybody who's got anything with keys. So very cool, nice. And the key works great in here. You got two of them. So very good. And these look like a pretty secure kind of key as well. So very cool, thumbs up.